Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create Tableau Hyper Files without Tableau. First thing we need to do, we need to create directories. First one will be called text files. The next one will be called Hyper. Next step is to actually create the transformation. We call it create hyper file. I'm going to the validator, so we just delete it. Setting writer properties, so connection text files, selecting the file, the file is called custom orders, but I could be wrong. Yeah. No, that's the correct file name. Let's set field names. We're taking them from the first line. And now let's set up writer properties. So connection type is Tableau Hyper. Connection name Hyper. Delete the file. Select another one. So just change the file name here. And we'll call it extract, which is standard file name for the table name for Tableau Hyper. And what we need to do now, we need to copy fields definition from source to writer. And we need to assign appropriate data types. Date. This one would be double. The rest of them text. So a lot of also fields. So please bear with me. Text. Hyper is only available as a data target in a 64-bit version of our software. And we also need to set precision to 0, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, so what we need to do now, we need to map our source fields to target fields. This can be easily done by using automa function. And we also have to set date format. Okay, it didn't work for some reason. Let me try another way. So we have date format function. So we just double click on it and we apply appropriate format. Let's check if it is actually working correctly. So format is not failing, okay. And now we are ready to load the data. All we need to do is to press this green arrow and it's all done. And I think we also should be able to see the data in our table. Here it is. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post them on our support forum and we'll do our best. Please like and subscribe. Bye.